Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Trading Journey with Bishwadeep. And today marks the beginning of an exciting journey that I am taking on, and it will be a 365-day challenge. For the next year, I'll be diving deep into the world of trading, documenting my daily experiences, strategies, wins and setbacks. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just curious about how trading works, so it will be thrilled, and I am thrilled to share this adventure with you. Each day I will provide daily insights, the analysis and the updates and the reflections of all my progresses through this trading journal. So I'll be documenting each and everything like the forex trading, the Indian market and the crypto market. So, and I'll be really inspiring each and every one of you if you are interested in this trading journey. And so if you're ready to join me on this year-long exploration of this trading world, then hit and subscribe the button and let's get started. So here is the day one of the challenge, and to all the lessons and the opportunities that lie ahead. And thanks for coming on to this journey, and I hope it will be beneficial for all of you. So let's embark on this journey. Okay, so today is my day one. I'll be starting with the trades that I have taken, and it will be let me show you the trading journal that I documented it on the Indian market. It is a day one on 13th of August. That is the 13th of August. Yes, here I've taken the trade. So let me just give you a brief that why I have taken the three EMAs over here, the three indicators that I take. So my strategies is like I'm taking the breakouts and the breakdowns with the help of only one indicator, that is the EMA. And I have chosen the ninth EMA. It's like the to filter out the strong momentums. So whenever there is a momentum coming on to this market, like sudden there is a spike in the market and there is a breakout in the market, so it gives me direct opportunity to buy or sell at that moment. And then I've using this uh, 50 EMA. So it's give me a trend defense line, like when there is a like a change in the trend, like coming, see here it's showing that there is the downtrend, and suddenly when there will be an uptrend with the gap up opening, so it will be showing the changes in the trends. So that is the work of this 50 EMA. And what does this 200 EMA is working? It is used as the last resistance or the support band. See, if I want to draw this support, you can check here. I've drawn the support, so it took this big bar took the support of this 200 EMA, and it got a good uh, breakout after that. So yes, so that's why I'm using these three different EMAs. So yes, I'll be deep diving onto the different indicators at later point of time, but let me show you the trades that I have taken on the day one. So coming on to this 5 minutes time frame, I'm using the 5 minutes time frame. You can choose any of the time frames from uh, depending on your needs. If you are on the equity market, let's go into the 1 day time frame or weekly time frame or on the monthly time frame to check out the breakouts or the breakdowns at later point of time. But when I'm doing trading on the Nifty or the Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty or whatever the indexes you may talk about in the Indian market or in the forex or in the crypto market, then you can do the analysis with a long time frame, like in the 1 week time frame or in the 1 month time frame or in the daily basis time frame. But when we will take the trades, then it will be on the 5 minutes time frame or in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so as I was talking about, on 13th of August, on 13th, so 5 minutes. So yes, 13th of August. Yeah, I have taken the trade at 1506. So let me draw the support line over here. And since it was Tuesday, so there was a fin nifty expiry, and I have taken the trade over here, the formation of a doji candle. Let me a little bit zoom into this thing. See, you can check that I have taken this doji candle. Let me show you the at what time I have took this. This is the short I have taken, 22,600 the strike price it was, and the entry price was 6.85 and the exit as 1.7. So there was being a loss of rupees 176 including the brokerage and the charges. So why I have taken that trade at that moment in the fin nifty index. So let me bring on to this 1 minute time frame. Taking it short, right? Okay, this is the, again I need to go back. See, I was talking about the trade that I took. You can see a dodgy candle formation over here. That means this was my support line at that moment. I have taken the trade since it was giving me a good confirmation that a doji candle is a confusing candle that doesn't provide the exact thing that whether it will show me an uptrend or the downtrend or it will be a continuing process at that moment. Since it was giving me and the resistance was just above that for this 1 minute candle, and as the doji candle formed in the resistance line, that's why I took the short position so that it will be coming onto this support line. So that was my analysis, as the premium was very low, so I was thinking to make at least of like 50 to 100 rupees profit in that position. But anyway, the theta decay uh, took all the premiums and it reduced me to 1.7 rupees from 6.85, and I made a loss of rupees 129, and with the brokerage 40 and charges it was an overall loss of rupees 176. So again I took a trade on 1512, that is just after closing this trade I took another trade over here. And why did I see, I've made the setups also. This is a doji formation and this is the expiry date trade. So and why I have taken these another trade over here, you can check that they were making a little bit of higher highs. See, they were making a little bit of higher highs. Yes, I entered into this position. I entered over here. Let me mark this thing. I entered on this candle, it took a sharp turn and then it got again reversed. So again I have lost the all the premium that I took on this fin nifty. So these were the two trades on my day one on fin nifty expiry, and it was overall an experiment to how I can start my journey on this thing. So overall I made a loss of rupees 323, and it was just a random trade that I took, and the setups that I have used, it was the higher highs. So this was the day one of my Indian market, and let me just give you a summary that I have started the options trading with one lot and with 8k capital in the dhan. So I'll be using only the one lot for the next 30 to 60 days. So let's see how my position goes right now. You can check all the other trading days. So I'll be analyzing on each on the regular day basis from the day 2. And coming on to this forex market, that is I'm using the Exness web terminal. So let me take you to this forex market trading, documenting the journey. So and I have used the capital of 5.7 thousand in the Exness. So this is my overall first day of my trading journey in the forex market. So and I've used a symbol that is the XAU USD. So I hope if you are new to this forex market, you can just deep dive into this Google and ask for what is this XAU and USD. Let me tell you this thing. The XAU is the gold and the USD, the primary and the secondary currency pairs. It's not a currency pair, it's a gold thing. So yeah, I'll be discussing these things on later point of time when I'll be giving you a little bit of brief about all these things, what are these things. So yeah, let me show you the analysis why I have taken the these three trades in the forex market. So this is the 2487. Okay, so it was on 16th, right? 16th. It's taking a time because I'm just using the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, 16th August, and I took the trade at 2487. 2487. 24. Yes, I got this. 2487.69. 2487 point. Yeah. So yes, here I have taken the trade. So let me just mark this thing. Here I have taken the trade. Already I have missed this big trade or the big candle, and I should have taken this trade at the support level, but I was already late. So out of FOMO, or you can say like fear of missing out the opportunity in this trade, so I've took this trade over here like at this 2487 trade, and I have just waited, and again it got reversed in this thing, in the resistance that formed over here. Let me, okay, yeah. So it got pulled back over to this support line, and I've exited the trade at this 2489 level, but I missed out again on this great opportunity. That's for the two candles that formed on the breakout candle. So this was my first trade that I took on the gold thing. So I should tell you, see here I've taken the lot size of 0.01, and the overall net PNL is the 172. So next trade was at 2493. 2493. 2493. Yes, when previously I have already drawn the resistance line over here, and it got a breakout uh, in this resistance, and it went up. So I took this trade at the highest level, and it gave me a little bit of profit, but I have waited for long. So again uh, it had gave me this profit of 101 at later point of time. 2496 again, sorry. See, again I thought that there may there may be a pullback, there may be a, and okay, so here I took the trade this year. Let me show you. 2496, 2496, but I didn't wait it for long, uh, and it was the night time in this, so I didn't wait long, and I really closed the position within 5 minutes, since and it got the SL hit. So that's where the uh, three trades that I took in the forex market, in the gold versus US dollar. So let me show you here, and similarly didn't stay long didn't stay long in this trade also, or else I would made a profit of this 100 to 150 rupees. So overall the day went on rupees 178 profit in the forex market. And coming on to the overall PNL of my Indian market and the forex market, that I made a loss of rupees of 145. So my overall capital goes to 19,472. I have not done trading on the crypto market yet. I'll be doing it. So maybe in the BTC or in the Ethereum, maybe from the Delta exchange thing, but I have not done it yet. So when I will be doing with the options or in the futures of the crypto market, then I'll be dealing you and giving you the analysis for those things. So 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 this is my day one of my trading journey of day till day 65, and I hope I can make a profit of rupees from 20,000 I have started. So let's hope it may reach to 10 lakhs within 365 days. And let's hope that all of you other people who are also on this journey with me should make a good handsome money, and be able to live freely and enjoy freely. So I hope I gave you some of the little important points that I have made to understand you, and given you the analysis of each of the every trade that I have taken. So thank you everyone. uh, Signing off for day one.